In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Miro, a platform designed for collaboration and innovation. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas, planning strategic initiatives, or conducting research, Miro's capabilities can support your workflow seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we'll need to access the Miro platform by visiting their sign-in page. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Miro website. Once there, you'll see options for logging in based on your previous sign-in method. We're going to select Continue with Email. Go ahead and click on that option. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Using email ensures you're accessing the right workspace under your credentials and maintains a secure entry into your projects. Now that you've successfully signed in, you'll arrive at your Miro dashboard. This is the hub for all your boards and projects. Scroll through to find the specific board you want to work on and click on it. This board represents your main canvas where ideas take visual form. It's always a good idea to name your boards clearly so you can find them easily next time. Upon opening your board, you'll see various tools and objects that you can use to customize your workspace. Locate the object you wish to work with. This could be a sticky note, a text box, or any other element you've previously added. Click on the object to select it. Once you've selected your object, you'll notice a menu icon that appears near the object. It looks like 3 small dots, often referred to as the More Options or Hamburger menu. Click this icon to reveal additional options for your selected object. This menu provides a list of actions you can perform, such as edit, move, or in our next step, duplicate. To duplicate your chosen object, simply click on the Duplicate button in the menu. This action will create an exact copy of your object, allowing you to use it elsewhere on the board without the need to recreate it from scratch. Duplicating is especially useful when you're working with templates or repetitive structures, as it saves time and ensures consistency. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate, customize, and maximize the use of your Miro boards more effectively. Remember, the key to Miro is experimentation and exploration, so feel free to play around with different tools and features to fully unlock its potential for your projects. It might take some practice to become familiar with all Miro's features, but once you do, you'll find it's an invaluable tool for enhancing teamwork and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy brainstorming.